Sometimes my prospects ask me, why should I pay you $1,000 or couple of $1,000 while I can develop the website from India, Pakistan, or even Bangladesh? So that's not about country, that's not about how economy affects the country, the web developer residing. It's the solution. Yeah, as a solution first website development team, we focus on the solutions what you are getting. You're getting maintenance, you're getting 1 year after sales support, you are getting a guarantee that your website will be live there, and if there anything happens, the team will be supporting you. So you're not just paying for the website development, you're just paying for that guarantee that it will be fixed soon enough. So yeah, disaster can happen. It happened in my 16 years website development career. So you can definitely rely on a team if there any sort of disaster happens, because disaster can happen. And also you are getting monthly 2 to 3 update requests, and by that you can definitely ask for content update, and also the team will be monitoring your website for any sort of security updates, any sort of loopholes, and also we'll be monitoring the speed performance, because this is a must. As the website owner, you would be getting full credentials, full access to your website, including the domain panel, including the hosting cPanel, and of course the admin panel of your website. So you can definitely do it yourself. You can have the access with you, and also the team will be providing you the support. So me and my team is not just sitting idle. We'll be just working around the clock, and this is nearly 8 p.m. at the evening, and guys behind me, they're just doing some stuff. Yeah, that guy, maybe he's playing some games just for entertainment, but this guy is so serious. Yeah, he's just chatting with the client via WhatsApp. So what happens whenever someone provides us a project, we just create a group chat on WhatsApp. So that group chat would have someone from my team, myself, my team lead, and the client, and anyone who wants to be in that group from his team. So that's a nice transparent way of communicating. So in that case, the development and the maintenance part, it never gets dropped. Maybe it's late in the night, but the client has the room for leaving a message for the team. So early in the morning, whenever someone from the team, he just logged in and he's just back into the work, yeah, he can definitely see into the issue, and that's how it works. So we don't want to create just a website which can rank on Google. Yeah, that's not the case. We also develop a system where you can just have the consistency, because you have to have the website whenever you need it most. In most of the cases, maybe you have dropped a quotation into a company, and that company comes to your website. If that site is broken or inaccessible, yeah, that's a disaster for you, because you might lose a lot of money. And that's why maintaining and monitoring the website consistently, that's a big thing. So people who are developing websites for $50 or $100, maybe people are offering $50, $100, or a $200 website development, but yeah, you cannot get a whole lot of service, whole lot of solution for you to be hands-free. So yeah, it's not the development fee, it's the overall solution fee, and you have to be clear about it while you're just onboarding with anyone. So you don't need to think that, yeah, this guy is overcharging. No, we're not. We are just helping, and if you need that help, yeah, that's fine. And if you don't, we have development only service charge as well. So if you need to start your website development project and you need to discuss and you need some consultancy, you can definitely visit passivecoder.com and book a free consultancy session so that you can discuss the project with us and I can guide you through. Yeah, see you on the onboarding session. That's all for today. Have a nice day.